Hello, and welcome to another episode of Craptastic Crafting. No, I'm just kidding. That's not really what my channel is called, but wouldn't it be funny if it was? I'm here for the challenge. We are using Debi's Design Diary DIY paint, new colors. There are 5 of them. I've got a couple of them here, and the challenge is to use the new colors to make either gifty stuff or home decor for holiday, like holiday decor. And I don't really do holiday decor so much. That would fall under the Craptastic Crafting, but I can do gifty stuff. So we're gonna make over not 1, but 2 jewelry boxes in today's episode. So let's get started. This jewelry box was a pretty good find at $9.99. Normally I don't pay that much, but you know, I was in a pinch and the inside of this was perfect. So let's get started on this first jewelry box, which, by the way, I cheated. I had that in my stash. It is thrifted, but I still had it. I'm going to use a beautiful napkin and decoupage that to the top and the sides of the drawer. As with any decoupage, when you're using napkins, you want to pull the plies apart. Just use the top printed ply and paint white first underneath where you're going to put your napkin so that the colors are true to form. Don't you just hate it being away from someone you just want to hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. One of my absolute favorite color combinations is pink and green. The colors work really well together, so I knew that Eden and Flirtatious were going to be fantastic together. And it just so happened that I had a napkin that had both of those colors in it, so it worked out perfect. We have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like. After doing 2 base coats of the Flirtatious, I just layered 1 coat of Eden on top, let it all dry, and then gave it all a wet distress to bring some of that Flirtatious through so that you could really see that pop of pink underneath the green. Better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if one of my very favorite things to do when I'm doing napkin decoupage is to use a 2-step crackler. It's a base coat and a top coat, and it crackles and gives you these fine crackles, and I absolutely love it. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it being away from someone you just wanna. You know, just a quick little thing about working with new colors is I feel like I know the rest of the DIY paint colors like kind of like the back of my hand. Like I know what goes with what, and I know what the colors are going to look like and how they're going to work. And so it's easy for me to pick colors that go together. But when working with new colors, there's always a learning curve. So that's kind of where I'm at with these. There's a learning curve, right? Because I don't know these colors at all. But so far, so good. And see how it goes. I have been working on Christmas ornaments a ton lately. Those were IOD mold from last year, and I used the Walk on Water and the Flirtatious, which is another good color combination. So on to jewelry box number 2. I'm on a way to love you. No more shortcuts that we I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with these 2 colors, but I knew I wanted to try them because this is kind of an unusual combination, and I was forcing myself to use purple because I almost never paint with purple. I looked through my napkin stash to see if there was a napkin that I could use for some decoupage, and I didn't have anything that went with it, but I did find the Fairy Tale Florals from IOD, and just so happened that they had both of these colors in there, both the Electrified and the Blood Moon. I want to take you on a little bit of a reality check. This is my kitchen table. My family is like, where are we supposed to eat? And this is my studio room. It's really half of our living room, but it's a disaster because I've been working on Christmas stuff. So there you have it. That is real life, my friends.
Ways to love you. No more shortcuts that we can take. Only way out is through.
I did let my paint dry overnight, and then I hit it with some Big Top and let that dry, and actually hit that with a little bit of a hair dryer, because I'm going to be putting the transfer on. I also decided I needed to elevate this piece a little bit, literally elevate it and figuratively elevate it. So I had some jewelry box feet in my stash, and I used those, and I think it made a big difference.
Yeah, we hit a dead end, a dead end.
I did end up using just a little bit of dark wax on this piece too, which you can see at the end. But let's swing back to the first piece. You can get the pretty pictures. Here we go. I love these two colors together. I think that they just work really, really well. I can see Flirtatious for sure being in my regular rotation of used colors because it really just is super pigmented and rich and just really bright and happy.
Praises served. When the time's right, I'll sing you a song.
And I was pleasantly surprised by how this piece turned out because for a while there it was kind of looking like Halloween to me with the purple and the green, but the transfer really helped pull everything together and really pulled those two colors together. And in the end, which is that little kiss of dark wax, I'm really pleasantly surprised at how much I like this.
I'ma be the tape. When you
I really hope that you guys get a chance to play with the new colors because I think that they're fantastic, and it's been a while since we've had new colors, and so this is really exciting. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out all the other videos by all of the other creators who took part in Debi's challenge for using the new colors, and I'll see you when I see you. Okay, bye.